Alright, hi guys. Today I'm following Koi Run's suggestion, doing a 20% water change to my pond. So I have this garden hose running for about half an hour now to fill up the pond with some fresh water. So hopefully that will improve my water quality and reduce the string algae. Alright, let it fill up for now. May take a while to top up the pond, so I'll check it back later. Alright guys, the pond is filled up now. You can see the water is all the way up to the top of the skimmer entrance. Good morning guys. Well, we now have the first snow of the year on the ground, and today we're gonna take another look at my koi pond. So you can see our white stuff down here now. Yeah, the bucket of water frozen, solid. Yeah, icy, frozen now. And the pond is still here, and the water is still moving well. The air bubbler is still on. As I haven't turned on the de-icer yet, I will do that when the surface of the water of the pond get frozen. But for now, just the bubbler is working. As you can see, the water is now all the way up in the pond. And right now, let me check the temperature. Alright, right now it's at -3 degrees Celsius. A bit cold. That's why all the water is frozen in these buckets. Yeah. Soon the pond water gonna be frozen too. Until then, it still remains quiet. Hopefully the fish are okay down there at the bottom. Oh, they're definitely hibernating down there somewhere, because I don't see any of them from here. Well, let's check the temperature at the bottom of the pond. It is at 2.7 degrees Celsius. Man, that's cold. Hopefully all the fish are okay down there. And temperature inside here now is at minus 2.5 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature inside this shed. Oh no. There you go. 2.7 degrees Celsius at the bottom of the pond. Somehow, I don't think the prop went all the way down to the bottom of the pond, but somewhere close to the bottom of the pond. And that's the temperature. Yes, it is cold. This is freaking cold. And I won't get any better, guys. As winter is coming. Well, that's just another update, guys. Yeah, not much activities going on right now. There's some visitors, overnight visitors over here. Sometimes with this, I have this blink camera that keeps an eye on my pond. So I've seen some activities going over at nighttime. Some raccoons, skunks, squirrel checking out my pond. Hopefully they didn't snack any of my fish. But yeah, I don't have the sprinkler, the automatic motion sensor sprinkler here anymore because of the weather, and the fish are way down at the bottom, so I don't think those raccoon will snack any of my fish, but keep my fingers crossed. Yeah, well, that's it for an update today. Yeah, December 1st I will turn on my Christmas light at nighttime, and we'll do another video at night just to see the Christmas lights around my pond. But for now, take care and stay cozy. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.